Hello and welcome back. Here I want to show you guys a quick tutorial on how to do a beautiful ombre nail. I know most of you guys have probably already seen ombre tutorials or know how to do them, but I want to show you a quick little trick on how to make them look super pretty and flawless. So here I'm using some acrylic colors that I bought from SoCal Nails from their Ladybug line, and they're beautiful, beautiful colors. And I started with the blue. I'm going to be adding the pink on top of that. And then what I'm going to be doing is adding the secret ingredient to this recipe. And that is our Tony Lee Color 31. That is like a clear mixed with a little bit of white and a little bit of pink. It's like a dirty pink white. I don't know how to describe it. But what that does for this ombre, if it's not necessarily the perfect blend, because it's got a little bit of color, and here's where I'm using it. Remember, number 31, he sells them in numbers. What this does is really bring it together. See that? There's like a little bit of pink and white to it, and it brings and blends those two colors together. So whenever you're doing an ombre, when you blend those colors together, what it'll do is make that ombre look super pretty. And the way that you do that is with a like medium or color in the middle. So that's something to keep in mind, and that is the secret ingredient. So if you're doing like a darker color, for example, or if you're doing like a pink to orange or yellow to orange, you can get some clear and add a little bit of that orange or a little bit of that yellow, like mix those two together. And what it'll do is when you're putting that clear coat over it, it'll blend those two colors together very pretty. So you end up having like a nice blend of multiple colors. It's not just the two. What I did is I did the pink, I did the blue, I did that color that brings them together, in this case the Tony Lee number 31, and then I did a little bit of clear to make sure that it's a thick enough nail, so when I'm filing it, I'm not filing any color. The clear is very important, but that color that brings them together from Tony Lee, if you file that, it's okay. What you want to do is put enough acrylic color or clear acrylic over your two colors so that you don't file any of it. And that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and I will be posting more, I promise. I have a lot of content, I just need to post it for you. Enjoy!